Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix monitor flickering in Windows 11. So first you need to press the Ctrl, Shift and ESC to open Task Manager. Alternatively you can right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, that also working. If Task Manager flickering along with the screen, the issue is likely with your display driver. If Task Manager does not flicker, that means an incompatible app may be causing the problem. So we can go with the next method. So you have to reset graphic driver by press the Windows key, Ctrl, Shift and B on your keyboard. Press the simultaneously. This will reset your graphic driver and can often fix flickering immediately. So the next method is you have to update your graphic drivers. So right click on the start menu, go to device manager, expand the display adapters, select your graphic driver, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it says it is already installed, simply go back, select the browse my computer for drivers, select this one, select your already existing driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver. So the next method is you have to adjust the refresh rate. To do that, right click on it, the empty area, go to display setting, scroll down and tap on advanced display option. You can see refresh rate is currently set as 60 Hz. You can simply select that one. You have to select the lower rate. If your computer is refresh rate more than 60 Hz, that means 75 Hz or 120 Hz, you can reduce it to the 60 Hz. Then after try to check the flickering is not gone or not, because incorrect refresh rates can cause flickering. So next method is you have to uninstall the recent Windows update or apps. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to Windows update, tap on advanced options. Then after select the advanced start app, tap on restart now. This will restart to the blue screen menu. So you can uninstall the Windows update from there, or simply you can again go to Windows update and tap on update history. Then after scroll down and tap on uninstall updates option. So you can see these are the updates currently installed on my computer. You can simply select the update you are recently updated, tap on uninstall option, tap on yes. This will uninstall your recent update. Then try to restart your computer. The next method is you can check the physical connection and hardware. If you are using old cable, try to replace it with the latest one. Finally, you can disable the hardware acceleration if you enable on your application. And if none of those methods are not working, you have to restore your computer. You can simply go to search bar, type system restore, tap on when you type the system restore here, you can see recovery option in here. Simply tap on it. So then after you need to tap on open system restore option. You can see in my case there is one system restore file is available. You can simply tap on next and you can follow the on the screen method to restore your computer into this date. So if the problem is not happened on that date, you can restore your system into that date. So these are the methods you can try to fix your monitor flickering on Windows 11 computer. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.